Yes, good morning. Yeah, it's still morning time, morning hours. Yeah, somewhere in South Africa. This is where I reside. Yes, so it's just a recap. Yeah, we're still taking a look at how the market have been performing this week. So first and foremost, yeah, we always start from the DXY. The DXY is the US dollar index. Yeah, already you know that it's the index which tracks the performance of the United States dollar and also measures the movement of other related currencies. Yes, so basically, we've been seeing that DXY on higher time frame, just like we said, that is bearish on higher time frame. Higher time frame, what I call higher time frame, I take it from monthly, weekly, daily. Yeah, so that's daily and 4 hour. That's what I call my higher time frame. So basically, if you go daily, monthly, let me just go on maybe daily so that you can see the picture. You can see higher time frame on the daily. This was our last break of structure, and this was our recent order flow leg. You could see this order flow leg has two imbalances actually. So this is daily. You can see where my extreme supply is. This is a refined supply on 4 hour. So on higher time frame, like we say, DXY has been on a pullback phase. It's a complex pullback. So when we come to higher lower time frame below 4 hour, from 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 seconds, you'll be seeing a bullish trend because this is a bullish trend inside the major trend. So precisely here, we're just trading the internal structures. This is just a complex pullback. We are long, we've been long. You can see on H4, DXY has been pulling up. Yes, this week. Yeah, we've been seeing some kind of choppiness on the dollar index. As you can see, yeah, we didn't have enough momentum as you could just see price. It has been choppy, but this choppiness, it's been in a trending form. It's been trending up. So that's why we're still hoping to see by the coming of next week that it continues, yeah, to go much higher. Yes. So because our key levels that we have are precisely a bit higher enough. So this is what I'm expecting the DXY to do. In the coming weeks, since today is the week is closing, I'm expecting the DXY to continue trending higher. This is my expectation of the dollar index to perform. I'm expecting it to continue trending higher towards my extreme key level. This is the supply. I'm hoping to see price dipping, understand? So, but before anything, yeah, we have to look at other pairs. If you know the correlation, there's what we call things that we look at. Because for me, before trading, my mentor advised me the way he trained me. We used to look at the DX dollar, the DXY as actually our index, which could show us whatever is likely to happen in other instruments. Yeah, we ought to trade. So basically, before I do any setup analysis, I normally look at the DXY to tell me exactly. It's actually, I use it as an indicator personally to tell me what is happening in other sets of instrument or assets. So correlation, according to the correlation factor, there's what we call the positive and negative correlation coefficients. So you know that wherever the DXY, like for now, it's buying, you'll be expecting the pound, dollar, euro, dollar, and other rated instruments to be selling. So let's go to pound dollar. Pound dollar, I'm still holding shorts because for me, I swing when I get actually a good setup. I normally hold my trades to my take profit areas. So as a pound dollar, you can see is the opposite of the dollar index. You can see in form of the correlation coefficients, we're having a negative correlation here. We've been seeing pound dollar trending lower. Yes, you could see pound dollar has been trading lower, trending lower, and we're hoping to see price continue, yeah, coming down, because actually this is a complex pullback and this is my extreme demand that you see. Yeah, I'm still holding my trades on the GU because the dollar is also expected to continue going up. So I don't know. Yeah, this will be my TP. I don't know how price might react. Maybe if it reaches this area of discount, this is the demand, it might still take out liquidity, because seriously, all these are liquidity pools. All these are liquidity pools. It can likely do anything it wants, but my TP is situated here. So it's a recap, just like I said. We've been selling from Monday. I've been posting setups, just showing you how far I've reached. So you could see now price is actually is continuing to head down, as you could see on Gbpusd. Yeah, for now, as you know, the trend doesn't move in the straight line, it moves in wave. That's why we're expecting that's why we're seeing this pullback. This is a minor pullback. I think if I come to H1, yeah, we could spot some area of inducement. So this pullback, it pulled up back just to take some kind of inducement. Yeah, after taking inducement, we add on 1 hour our minor area of supply. Our minor area of supply is this. This is our minor area of supply. You can see this. I'm not gonna mark it. So this is the reason why it's retracing a little bit up before it continues down. So Euro USD has been really choppy. Just that the US dollar itself, you can see the choppiness of the Euro USD, but slow but sure, we're still aiming down. Yeah, in the course of coming week, we are expecting to see price continuing to come down, because we're still bearish on this complex pullback. So nothing to worry about. Maybe we shall continue to see volatility kicking in, maybe in the coming week. So Euro USD, I'm still holding a sell with a raw risk. I'm hoping to see price maybe in the coming weeks to continue coming down. So Nasdaq, yes, it has reached my extreme area of demand. This is the zone I've been waiting to buy it from. I took a sharp buy, a sharp long entry on this area of demand. You can see it on 4 hour. It's refined. Yeah, it's refined on 4 hour. So basically, for people who are looking for further confirmations, they'll be waiting to see a price shifting upwards, taking out this lower high. So this is what I had on Nasdaq. We're going long. We're going long, and we'll be holding swings on Nasdaq, pointing up. Yes. So waiting for confirmations, then we see that we continue to hold Nasdaq. So have a blessed week. This is what I had. Thank you.